Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this little mini strobe disco light for a review. So let's take it out of the box, look at its features, give it a try. Okay, it comes with a USB type A to type C connector for charging. Here is the strobe. And it came with a DJ lamp instruction manual. So let's open this up. Okay, it comes in a variety of different languages. Okay, let's take a closer look at the DJ light. It has a Type-C port here on the side for charging. Comes with a charging cable. You just plug that in, and you could plug that into like a computer or an AC outlet adapter for charging. According to the user manual, it takes about an hour and a half to fully charge the unit, and this will last up to 7 hours. Okay, it came with 3 little metal magnetic plates that are designed to peel and stick. Peel off the back. You could stick it to a surface. And then this is a magnetic back on it. So this basically this light can secure to the wall, ceiling, or any other type of surface using peel and stick metal pieces. Okay, as far as the size of the light, it is 2.95 inches in diameter, so almost 3 inches. The height is about 1.98 inches, so almost 2 inches high. So it's very small. Okay, if you look on the side, there's a power button here that you'll press to get to the different modes according to the user manual. Press it once. Okay, this first function is auto sound control. So you can see at the sound of my voice, it's changing from red, green, blue, back and forth. So I'll create a beat. So you can see it's changing colors to the beat of my voice. So press the button on the side again. Mode number 2 is red, so it'll stay constantly red. Press the button one more time, it's blue. Mode number 4 is green. Mode number 5 is white. Mode number 6 is fading, so it will gradually fade on and off, a mix of colors between red, blue, green, magenta, and so forth. And then mode number 7 will turn the light off. Okay, so this light can be used as a night light in your vehicle, your music room, or as a night light, for a child or so forth. Okay, for this DJ light to shine on the ceiling, you take this plastic shield off the top. You have a lock and unlock button here, so you'll slightly turn this counterclockwise, and you can see some slots here on the side that will allow you to take off the dome. So this reveals kind of like the crystal ball light. So now when you turn the light on, it will have a burst of various lights upward. So again, you press the button on the side and you can go through the various colors. So depending on where you place it at in the room, it'll show not only on the ceiling but also spread on the sides of the walls. So here's another look at the ceiling, changing multiple colors. So by placing it here on this keyboard stand in the center of the room, it'll project partially on the walls as well as the ceiling. So even though this DJ light is very small, it's very powerful. With the dome on it, it would make the perfect night light using various colors. But with the dome off, as you can see, it's a great fun way to light up your ceiling and walls to the rhythm of music or your voice. So I highly recommend this DJ light.